Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, we will write 10 lines essay on Abdul Sattar Edhi. So let's start. First one is Abdul Sattar was a great humanitarian and social worker of Pakistan. Second point is he was born on 28 February 1928 in Gujarat, India. Third point is he migrated to Pakistan after the independence in 1947. Fourth point is he established the Edhi Foundation to help poor and needy people. Fifth point is his foundation runs free hospitals, orphanages, and ambulance services. Six is he helped people without any discrimination. Seven is he lived very simple and humble life. 8 is he was called the angel of mercy. 9 is he received many national and international awards for his great work to humanity. And the last line is Abdul Sattar Edhi passed away on 8th July 2016, but his mission of kindness is remembered forever. Thanks for watching.